Well, hello, my friends. I hope you've had a fantastic week and have awesome plans for your weekend. This week, we're going to talk open houses and what makes for a successful open house. And it can make it or break it for your home coming on the market, especially if you've got a great price and have everything else ready. Let's get you set up for success for your first open house. There are 6 ways to find the most success in your open house. Let's talk about it. All right. The first way starts from the very beginning. When you're bringing your house onto the market, it's all about staging and presenting the home in its very best light. That's what staging is designed to do. It's designed to make your house shine in the best way possible. And it may be a deep staging if you've got a completely empty home and we need to fill it with furniture, but it could be very simple with just some very small basic changes that make all the difference in the world. Did you know that staged homes sell faster, 78% faster, statistically speaking, and for at least 20% more on average when you're done with your sale? Staging pays off. That's number 1. Number 2, smells. Oh my goodness, let's talk about smells because they make an impact when you come in a house. So pay attention to the foods you might be cooking in the days before and certainly the morning of your open house. Pay attention to your furry friends because they're lovely, but sometimes they leave a smell as well. So be aware of that. Maybe take away pet items or wash some of those items so they're fresh for your open house. Things also that contribute to smells would be smoking and other factors living in your house. So the morning of your open house, that morning, get up, open windows, air it out. And if you're going to add any scents, please don't do the plugins. They're too much. Maybe a light candle, a very light scent, nothing too sweet, nothing too strong. Let's talk housekeeping because that's number 3. All your beds should be made neat and tidy. All the floors picked up. Make sure it looks like you've never lived there because that's what we're going for. Think about when you come to a model home. Nobody lives there, but everybody wants to live there. That's what we want for your house. In the bathroom, make sure there's fresh towels, not old, dirty ones, fresh towels. Even better, all white towels. Bring them out only for the open house, put them away, and use your regular towels when you're not doing an open house. Make sure your toilet lids are closed. Oh my goodness gracious, please close all those toilet lids. And even toilet paper. Can't believe I'm talking about this, but if the roll is almost empty, take it off and put a fresh new roll rolling over the top, please, to make that bathroom look great. In the kitchen, put away all cleaning materials, things of that nature. And we don't like to see any towels out as well, kitchen towels. So tuck those away. All right, number 4, really important, security. Secure away your items. So think charging cords for things like your laptop, your tablets, your iPhones. Put away those tablets, laptops, and take your phones with you. Secure away your prescription medicine and other personal items that are private like that. And of course, your jewelry, things like watches and those nature. Secure away your items. Number 5, let's talk lighting. People say, my house is really bright. It's the middle of the day. Why do I turn all the lights on? Trust me when I say you'll want to turn all the lights on. It just shines up your house that much more. We want it to feel happy. We want to draw emotion from people coming through your open house. So turn every light on. Don't worry. We'll turn them off when we leave at the end of the day. And number 6, speaking of leaving, you as the seller, please go see a movie, go catch up with a friend, go have a great lunch somewhere else. But it's best for you to not be at the open house so the buyers will spend more time at the house exploring and they'll feel free to talk about it and ask questions of your agent during that time. All right. Those are the 6 steps for having an awesome open house. Have you had any weird open house stories? I'd love to hear about them. Or if you're just looking for a better strategy, let's get a cup of coffee and talk about it. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Take care.